it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got the subscriber reward or Patreon reward, that's what it is, from Alum and Ink for this month. And I cannot wait to take a look at it. I have, oops, I think I need those box cutters. I swear, I'm going to go get some scissors. I'm going to buy them from the store today. And I go up to get groceries because I don't know what happened to all of our scissors. They just disappeared. Here we go. I got it open now. All right. And it's all packaged up like this. Take a look and see what we got. Ooh, it looks like it's a bird. Okay. So first, the sticker. Ah, okay. If I can get into anything today, I don't know if I can get into anything. Ooh, that's beautiful. And sadly, I can't remember what this one is called. But wow, I love the purples and blues in its tail. Very pretty. Does it say somewhere? No, I don't see it. She's got all of that information on her Patreon page, and I believe you can see it even if you aren't a member. But of course, you won't get the little benefits if you're not a member. Ooh, and here's the pin. Oh gosh, that is beautiful. Very pretty. Wow. I did not expect this one to be as beautiful it is. It really came out gorgeous. And I don't know that the camera is capturing it. I wasn't super drawn to it at first when I'd seen it online, but wow, it really is stunning in person. But then again, everything that she does is absolutely gorgeous. You would not be disappointed getting anything from her. I know I certainly am not. Never disappointed. Those are beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Those are the absolutely stunning, beautiful ones for this month. And somehow she considers that to be seconds. Can you believe that? I don't see anything wrong with it. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. Tell me which one you like better, the sticker or the pin. You can, of course, sign up for both of them to get both as a reward, or you could do one or the other. I am going to link all of her information down below, just as always. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.